Hi everyone, Faisal here from SolarisKit. In this really quick video, I'm going to talk about how many solar collectors you need to heat a hot tub using solar energy. So heating a hot tub using solar energy makes a lot of sense because what we're basically trying to do is heat a large volume of water to around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. And to heat water to those kinds of temperatures using solar energy is actually a pretty simple thing to do. And there are a number of different solar thermal collectors out there that can help you do that. At SolarisKit, we use our prismatic shaped solar collectors, which are shown here, which basically convert solar energy directly into heat. Now, the way the collector works is really quite simple. Basically, sunlight enters the prism, it hits that absorber coil that you can see inside there. The coil becomes really hot because of that absorption process, and the prism-shaped side panels around it do a really good job of trapping in that heat. So we can get that coil to up to around 80 degrees Celsius. And then what we do is we basically just pump the water from the hot tub directly through a bank of solar collectors and heat up the water and return that hot water back to the hot tub. So it's a pretty simple process, but it's really effective. But of course, we've got several collectors connected together to heat our hot tub. And a really common question we get asked is, how many of these solar collectors do I need exactly for my hot tub? Now that depends on a couple of things. The two main ones are, where you are in the world. So that's going to impact, the amount of sunlight you have and the temperatures that you experience. We're based in the middle of Scotland, which isn't known to be the sunniest or warmest parts of the world. But even here we find using solar energy to heat a hot tub really effective for several months of the year. Obviously summer, but even those shouldering months as well. But there are lots of other parts of the world where you could use solar energy all year round to heat a hot tub. Now, as a general rule of thumb from our experience, based in Scotland, what we would recommend is having at least one solar collector. So that's one of our solar collectors. There will be some variation with other types of solar collectors, but having one solar collector roughly per person. If you really want to increase the temperature of the hot tub or heat it up a little bit faster, we would recommend upping that to about 1.5 collectors per person. So we've got an inflatable hot tub that you can see behind me. It's around a 4-person hot tub. So in this situation, we'd recommend, as a very minimum, have 4 of our solar collectors to heat up this size hot tub. 6 is a great number as well. We've actually found that we could heat the hot tub to almost 40 degrees Celsius just using solar energy in Scotland using 6 collectors. But with 4 collectors, we can do pretty much most of the work and heat up the hot tub to around 35 degrees Celsius. And if you want that warmer temperature, just whack on that heating and just boost it up. But then you're only heating it up a couple of degrees. So a huge energy saving nonetheless. So if you've got any other questions regarding how to heat a hot tub using solar energy, please visit our website, SolarisKit.com, where you can see our HT100 hot tub heating kits, which basically lets you install your own solar heating system without any experience. It's a completely DIY kit. And if you've got any questions, reach out to us through our website and we'll be happy to answer your questions and get you harnessing solar energy really soon. But hopefully this has been a useful video, and if you've got any likes, comments, questions, please add them to the video below. Thanks very much for watching. See you at the next one.